Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 lineup has been previewed in a newly surfaced hands-on video, placing the ultra-thin iPhone 17 Air in the spotlight. Kicking off with the main attraction, the iPhone 17 Air stands out with its single-lens rear camera setup. It retains the 48MP primary sensor from the iPhone 16, offering advanced photography features like a 12MP 2x telephoto zoom and portrait mode with depth control. As per Apple Track, the side profile of the iPhone 17 Air is considered a design marvel. Visually, the device appears barely thicker than the side buttons. Compared to the 8.25mm thick iPhone 16 Pro Max, the iPhone 17 Air is impressively slim. Reports suggest the Air measures between 5mm and 6.25mm in thickness. However, this pursuit of a slim profile has led to an inevitable trade-off: audio performance. The iPhone 17 Air's dummy unit includes only 2 bottom-firing speakers adjacent to the USB-C port, 3 fewer than the other iPhone 17 models, which feature stereo speakers positioned on both sides in landscape mode. It's expected to house a 6.6-inch OLED panel with 120 Hz promotion refresh rate. Pricing is anticipated between $900 and $1,179, or around $1,000 to $1,310. Dummy units of the iPhone 17 Pro models reveal a new full-width camera bar design across the top. While the signature triangular lens layout remains, Apple Track notes major enhancements for the telephoto sensor, offering improved optical zoom functionality. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are expected to retain the 6.3-inch and 6.9-inch displays, respectively. The dynamic island appears slightly smaller this year but largely resembles current iterations. Both the Pro and Pro Max showcase the same full-width camera module as the Air, but with a triple-lens configuration. Unlike the Air, the LiDAR sensor and flash are repositioned to the far end, maintaining the triangle alignment. The updated camera block is rumored to introduce a 48MP sensor for the telephoto lens, the last Pro camera to use 12MP. Analyst Cole points out that the dummy units don't show any signs of rumored changes like a new MagSafe layout, unibody design, or aluminum side rails replacing titanium. These omissions may relate to early-stage prototype designs. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max retain the same measurements, 6.3 and 6.9 inches, and unchanged button placements. The dynamic island also appears untouched in these non-functioning units. As for the standard iPhone 17, it deviates from the others by lacking the new protruding camera bump. In fact, it closely resembles the iPhone 16, suggesting Apple may only implement minor upgrades such as internal specs and fresh color options in 2025. The iPhone 17 Air is reportedly shorter than the iPhone 16 Pro Max, aligning with Bloomberg's claim that it may sit between the 6.3-inch Pro and 6.9-inch Pro Max, possibly akin to the iPhone 16 Plus. Several leaks support a 6.6-inch promotion OLED display with ultra-thin bezels. Apple allegedly considered making the Air as large as the Pro Max, but scrapped the idea due to durability concerns. Larger screens on thinner bodies may be more prone to bending. The iPhone 17 Air is also rumored to feature an upgraded 24MP front camera, up from 12MP, while retaining the pill-shaped notch. It could be powered by the A18 or A19 chip with 8GB RAM, putting it on par with the base iPhone 17. The device is expected to ship with iOS 19, a major OS refresh with enhanced customization for icons, menus, apps, and system UI, drawing design cues from the Vision Pro interface. The iPhone 17 Air is forecasted to be priced around $900 and will likely launch alongside the full iPhone 17 series in September. The final lineup may include the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max. Enthusiasts eyeing the iPhone 17 Air or upgraded Pro models should note that Apple may have scrapped plans for a highly scratch-resistant anti-reflective coating on the Pro models. A reliable MacRumors source previously claimed that Apple was working on a new display coating more durable than ceramic shield. However, no recent updates suggest it's moving forward. The coating application process was reportedly too slow to meet Apple's production targets, even for Pro models. Currently, iPhones feature oleophobic coatings to resist fingerprints, but anti-reflective technology has yet to debut on iPhone, though Apple uses nano-texture displays for Mac and iPad Pro. That tech hasn't been ported to iPhones, and may never be, for now. In contrast, Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra features Gorilla Glass armor, which reduces screen reflections by up to 75%, enhancing color accuracy and contrast in bright conditions. If Apple delays its anti-reflective glass, it may revisit the feature in future iPhones once production scales improve. Rumors also suggest a significant RAM upgrade for the entire iPhone 17 lineup. Although Ming-Chi Kuo previously predicted that the base model might get 8GB RAM instead of 12GB due to supply constraints, a new leak confirms a 12GB RAM boost across the board. This will enhance multitasking and provide major performance improvements for AI-powered applications. While Apple has long optimized iOS for low memory usage, physical hardware upgrades like this can substantially elevate the user experience. According to Digital Chat Station, the iPhone 17 series will feature 12GB LPDDR5X RAM, boosting the phone's Apple Intelligence capabilities and gaming performance. The A19 Pro chipset will reportedly be produced using TSMC's 3nm N3B technology, although this may apply only to the Pro and Pro Max. Apple's decision to introduce a vapor chamber cooling system could help manage thermals on high-performance models, including the Drum chip, ensuring smooth operation under intense workloads. Interestingly, the iPhone 18 lineup is also rumored to adopt this RAM and cooling configuration, although memory may stay capped at 12GB. The iPhone 17 Air and base model are rumored to use Samsung's M14 OLED panels, offering better brightness, color accuracy, and panel longevity. Tipster Jakamus Reeve on X claims the Air model could be the first non-Pro iPhone to feature a 120Hz OLED promotion display and A19 chip. Indian pricing could be around 89,900 Indian rupees, similar to the iPhone 16 Plus. The model may adopt an aluminum frame, aligning with Apple's shift toward lighter, more compact designs. There's also speculation that Apple will fine-tune the software for the single rear lens, aiming to match or exceed dual-lens performance. The previous gen iPhone 16 series, which launched in September 2024, ran iOS 18 with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. That's all the information available at present. We'll continue to monitor leaks and bring updates as they emerge. Thanks for tuning in.